Finished in its original and as-built colour specifications of silver birch with burgundy Connolly hides and optioned with heated rear screen and chromed wire wheels from new. This exceptional example of the iconic DB5 was delivered new in September 1964 via agent Cyril Williams Motors to its first Coventry-based owner, who, according to factory records, had servicing and maintenance carried out by Aston Martin in Newport Pagnell, whilst covering over 75,000 miles during its first 5 years on the road. Ownership remained with the first owner through to 1986, when the car was purchased by a London-based dealer directly from Aston Martin in a dilapidated condition and requiring restoration, stored thereafter for several years, before being acquired by the last and only third owner in 2008 for subsequent restoration. The complete restoration, expertly overseen for the owner by Aston Martin specialist Peter Stratford, proprietor of Aston London Ltd, was carried out under Stratford's management, employing the combined services of heritage specialists Aston Engineering of Derby and body paint and fabrication specialists Marksdanes of Somerset, all when the car had recorded a mileage of 25,600 miles. The 2+ year restoration included a total dismantling of the car to the bare chassis, to facilitate shot blasting of the chassis and reveal of all areas of the chassis requiring attention. Replacement of all corroded steel sections took place, with a restoration of the original aluminium body and a complete repaint carried out in the original silver birch. All mechanical aspects of the car were inspected and rebuilt or restored as felt necessary. With the engine removed, noted on factory records to have been replaced in 1970, the opportunity was taken during the rebuild to increase the capacity from 4 litres to 4.7 litres, employing a new billeted steel crankshaft, large bore pistons, improved valve gear and strengthened conrods, along with upgraded Vantage specification camshafts and the fitment of a set of triple Weber 45 DCOE9 carburetors of the type fitted to Vantage specification engines. Whilst in restoration, all instruments, interior fittings, exterior brightwork and bumpers were either replated, rebuilt or replaced where necessary, and the whole interior retrimmed, including all seats, door cards, quarter panels, the dashboard, under panels, carpets and the headlining, to the original build specifications of burgundy VM3171 hides, with tailored burgundy Wilton cut pile carpets. Since completion of the restoration, this exceptional DB5 has been driven over 20,000 miles, on tours and to concours events by its last highly satisfied owner, whilst being regularly maintained by Marksdanes Ltd, Aston Engineering and the last owner's trusted local classic car specialists for annual maintenance and MOT tests. An icon of the Aston Martin brand, the DB5 model was produced for just 2 years, with 898 examples completed before production ended. This DB5, stored in ideal garaging when not in use, shows very little evidence of use or wear since its restoration, and is supplied fully serviced and prepared by our senior heritage technicians, inclusive of 12 months warranty. Included with the car is a detailed history folder containing the original 1964 Buff vehicle logbook, the manufacturer's build record and early service history, restoration invoices and detailed works descriptions, an engine test dyno sheet recording a maximum power of 350 horsepower, MOT certificates from restoration onward, and a trade sales invoice from Aston Martin dated 1986. Also, the vehicle comes with the owner's handbook, tool roll, vehicle jack and copper mallet, and spare keys. On show and available for inspection now at our Hertfordshire showrooms.